welcome back to the channel, guys. If you haven't yet, smash that subscribe button. Here we are back in the shop. We've got the new project, BeatenDaily. It will be featured. I'll be showing clips all throughout this. It is a 2002 Volkswagen TDI Golf two-door. I have looked for several years trying to find a two-door diesel Golf in a manual version, but I was able to find one in my price range that has a little bit of damage that is an automatic. So what I'm gonna do is, first step is get the whole front end repaired, because as you see it's pretty mangled. Then from there I've got a full black interior swap that I will be putting everything from another car into this. I've got the new hood, the whole front end, the seats, the carpet, almost all the panels, because as you see in one of these clips that the windows are actual manual windows, which that makes two of them that I have now. I have not seen very many of the manual window cars, so I am glad to have two of them. There is a piece of wood holding up the passenger window at the moment, because the guy that I bought it from had the regulator go bad and break, and he didn't include any of that. It came with a whole bunch of new parts. It's got a whole bunch of stuff done to it. I think it'll be a pretty good build and something to play with. So I hope you enjoy this. Don't forget to smash